When it comes to tactile switches, few names carry as much weight as Holy Panda. These switches earned their legendary status by combining the most sought-after features from two popular designs. With stems from Halo switches and housing inspired by Invyr Panda switches, Holy Pandas deliver a typing experience that's both snappy and deeply satisfying. What sets Holy Panda switches apart is their unique blend of tactile feedback and smoothness. The tactile bump isn't just a quick nudge at the start, it maintains a consistent feel all the way through the keystroke until bottoming out. This gives every press a reliable, responsive sensation that many users find addictive. Compatibility is another strong point. Holy Pandas fit perfectly with plate-mounted Cherry-style PCBs and are ideal for hot-swap compatible keyboards like the Drop-Alt, Control, Shift, ENTR, Carina, Planck, and Preonic. That means you can upgrade your setup without soldering, making them a convenient choice for both beginners and pros. The specs back up the experience. Each switch features Halo switch stems, a polycarbonate top housing, and a nylon bottom housing. The 67-gram spring strikes a balance between firmness and comfort. Plus, they support both SMD and through-hole LEDs, so lighting customization is easy. They come unlubed from the factory, giving you the option to fine-tune the feel if you want. Users across the United States rave about Holy Panda switches. Many highlight the excellent tactile feedback as the main reason they prefer these over similar options like Glorious Panda or Tactile Purple Panda. The consistent bump throughout the keystroke is a standout feature that elevates the typing experience. One reviewer shared that even without lubrication, Holy Pandas sound and feel fantastic, quickly becoming their favorite tactile switch. For those on a budget, other options might be worth considering, but if you want the best tactile feel with a smooth, satisfying press, Holy Pandas are tough to beat. If you're looking to upgrade your keyboard with switches that deliver a premium tactile experience, Holy Pandas are worth a look. Their blend of high-quality materials, thoughtful design, and broad compatibility makes them a top choice for anyone serious about typing feel. Try Holy Panda switches when you're ready to feel the difference. Whether you're building a new keyboard or upgrading your current one, these switches offer a tactile experience that's both memorable and rewarding.